today Microsoft BitLocker and how to enable BitLocker without a TPM module. So I cover with how to we can enable BitLocker without a TPM module. TPM means trusted platform module not available computer, okay, for Windows server or computer. So before I will cover up something. What is BitLocker? Okay. What is a prerequisite of BitLocker and how to we can configure BitLocker without TPM? Okay. We will go for now the topics. What is BitLocker? BitLocker is the Windows encryption technology that protects your data from unauthorized access by encrypting your drive and require one or more factor of authentication before it will be unlocked. BitLocker Drive Encryption is adaptive protection features that integrated with the operating system and address the threats of data theft or exposure from the lost or stolen inappropriately decommissioned computer. So I will tell you some small example. You have the computer, okay? Someone stole your computer or someone take your computer and then open it and then take the hard drive. Then this hard drive they can put another device and they can easily access your data. So your data have no protection. If example you will add the BitLocker encryption in your disk, the user cannot be left your data, okay, because they need to BitLocker key to unlock the drive. So this is a simple sense. BitLocker will help you to protect your data. Okay. Next step. What is a prerequisite for BitLocker enable? Okay. So prerequisite, the TPM, the computer must have TPM 1.4 or later version. The computer with the TPM must be allowed the trusted computing compliant BIOS or UEFI. So I will discuss without a TPM 1 point, because you know the old computer have no TPM module. So we needed to enable BitLocker. The Windows will be provided how to we can enable TPM, how to we can enable BitLocker without TPM. So I will show you how to. The next step I will discuss the demo also. Okay. So step 2, configuration BitLocker without TPM. Group policy edit, Gpedit, Windows administrator template, Windows component, OS load driver, allow, extra pin required to the policy enable. So first we will go for I will go for now one of the device OS Windows 10 device, and I will show you how to we can enable BitLocker without TPM. So here I will go. You know where we will go? Control panel. Just to go to control panel. Just try to enable your BitLocker driver encryption. Just to turn on the BitLocker. So starting BitLocker. The device cannot use trusted platform module. Your administration must be set the allow BitLocker without without compatibility TPM option. Require additional authentication startup policy OS body. So this device have no TPM module, so you cannot enable the BitLocker directly. You need to edit your policy. So I will show you how to we can do it this way. We will go for our group policy Gpedit. So just go for Gpedit control. So then I will now pick the screen. Then go to administrator template. Then Windows component. Okay. Will show you here a little bit. Windows component. Okay, then click. After that you can see here BitLocker driver encryption. Just double click this one. So here fixed data drive, operating system drive, and removal data. So now we will do to the operating system drive how to we can enable the BitLocker. Okay, here also you fixed data operating system. So double click your operating system drive. So double click. Then allow network. No. Require addition authentication on startup. See requirement list Windows 7 and Windows 7 description. The policy is we will description. The policy of this policy setting allow you to configure whether BitLocker require additional authentication each time of the computer startup and whether you are using BitLocker with or without a trusted without a trusted platform. This policy setting is applied when you turn on the BitLocker. Okay. So I just double click this one. You will check. Once you enable this one, see, you must click this one. If you not click, this not work. So you just click. Always check the click is available. What is this? Allow BitLocker without a compatible TPM. So this tick will be always on. So then they will ask you allow TPM, okay, configure TPM startup pin, okay, configure TPM startup pin is okay, configure TPM startup key, okay. So startup key with VTM, configure TPM startup key with the pin, no problem. So you need to enable it. After that, you just enable this one, then click apply, then click OK. Okay. Now our policy we will edit it. Okay, you need it also require additional startup Windows Server and Windows Vista. This one also enable. This one also you can enable. Just click this one. Also I will enable it. Allow configuration TP startup key and allow BitLocker without compatibility. Require password or startup USB flash drive. And this policy allow the startup key with the TPM, allow the startup pin with the TPM, then click apply and click OK. So both policy now I enable. Okay, after that you just update your policy. CMD, just open your command prompt, then gp update /policy. Okay, we will wait for our policy update. Yeah, complete policy updation has completed. Okay, after that we will go for again the policy is propagated or no. We just back and we again go to the BitLocker driver encryption, then turn on the BitLocker. See now the difference. Now the BitLocker is turned on. So we need to configure some step also. We just wait for that steps. BitLocker, yeah. Prepare your BitLocker driver, BitLocker encryption drive. When you are turned on the BitLocker, your computer performs following steps. So we will click the next. After that, I will click next button. Preparing your driver BitLocker, thinking volume, creating new Windows recovery environment. You will no longer able to use Windows recovery environment unless it this one will prepare your driver for BitLocker encryption the drive. You will wait for the complete encryption. Just wait, and I will click next button. Yeah, here we have two options: insert UEFI flash drive and enter the password. To help you keep your data more secure, you can have BitLocker prompt you to enter the password or insert the USB flash drive each time you are start up your PC. So this is the step. You need to enter your password, or otherwise you can insert your USB flash. So now I go for enter my password. Okay, I just create the password. Don't forget this password. Okay, always remember, because when you start up the system will be always the booting time, computer booting time, the system always asks you the password. If you not enter the password, it's difficult to open the computer. Okay, next step, you want to backup you must backup your recovery key. How to you can backup? Print recovery key. Just click the print recovery key. So then Microsoft, they just print it and save as your PDF. Okay, just save. Just write bit key encryption. Okay, put in the desktop. Save. Also, you can save your Microsoft. Better also you can save your Microsoft account also. Just sign in your computer. I think always, I think almost the computer you just sign in with your Outlook account. Then save your Microsoft account. After that, BitLocker will be saved in your Microsoft account. Okay. Then next click encrypt user disk space only and encrypt. You can click this option. Whatever the portion you are the data, then they will only encrypted. If you need to entire disk, you can you can encrypt the entire disk. Okay, but I will go for an encrypted user disk space only. Okay, then new encryption mode, best fix. Yeah, this is new. Already Windows 11 version introducing new encryption EX. This provide additional integrity support, but is not compatible to older version of the Windows. If this is fixed drive, or this drive will be always okay. Just read it this one. Okay, we will go for new encryption mode best. Then click, and I will remove this one because after that if you click this one, then the one pop-up window will be coming the startup, and they will check if the computer is okay or not. So I will now skip the steps, run the BitLocker on the system side. So I will start encrypting. See, now the BitLocker will be start the encryption. Okay. After that, okay. Now the step is completed. The problem is, after your encryption will be 100% completed, then you just restart your PC. Then after you restarting your PC, they will ask you the key. What key asking? First you enter one key like a password. They will ask you to enter the password. So just put that password. Then the computer will be automatically booted. Okay. Now I will go for show you the BitLocker key. Okay, the 48-bit. See, this is your BitLocker key. Yeah, this will be keep and save. Start with your data. See, this is your recovery key. Okay, 48-day recovery key. Always don't forget this key, and this save in separate. Save. Don't save in anything in this computer, because once anything happen, you cannot recover the recovery key. Okay, so yes, and recovery key is different than BitLocker. When the startup, the computer will be startup. When the startup the computer, you need to enter the password. Whatever the password you give that before you give the encryption time. So, and this step only this one. Okay, I will wait for 100% completed. So after that I will restart it. Okay, thank you. The problem, this computer I cannot restart it because this I am using in the Azure. So once you're done, you can restart and then you can enter your password. Okay, I think you are like my video. If you like my video, just subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.